Spinach is low in calories. You can eat a couple of them and enjoy a variety of nutrients including vitamins A, C, K, and E. Spinach is also rich in copper, iron, manganese, and calcium among other nutrients. It is both versatile veg and a potent weight loss food. It contains green leaf membranes referred to as thylakoids that help to boost weight loss by up to 43%. A study done by Lund University in Sweden confirmed that by eating spinach, you could reduce emotional food cravings by up to 95%. It does so by helping the body to produce satiety hormones that help to control hunger and improve healthy eating habits. You can eat a heap of it during lunch and dinner. Believe it, whole eggs are not high in cholesterol. They also don't raise blood cholesterol or cause heart attacks as initially thought. Whole eggs are rich in proteins and healthy fats. Eggs have high nutrients, and most of them are found in the yolks. It is very satiating and can make you feel full for longer. Whole eggs contain low calorie count. If you are on a calorie-restricted diet, then feel free to include whole eggs in your protein diet. You can replace those refined carbs like bagels with whole eggs to help suppress your appetite. Salmon is filled with a couple of healthy omega-3 fatty acids. It is incredibly healthy and satiating. A diet with salmon can keep you feeling full for several hours. It also contains high amounts of proteins, iodine, and other nutrients that support healthy thyroid function. It is a good option for weight loss. While green peppers may appear hearty and dense, they contain about 92% water. They are not only good for trimming waistline, but they also pack a nice ton of antioxidants. You can slice or grill them for a satiating and healthy weight loss meal. Cucumber contains high water levels of about 96.7%. It is a great weight loss food that is very easy to integrate into any diet. You can slice them and put them on salad, dip them in hummus for a healthy snack or whip them up for soup. Berries such as strawberries, blackberries, and blueberries are other ideal weight loss foods that are low in calories. Berries also contain high levels of nutrients and tons of flavor. They are loaded with antioxidants and fiber. The sugar contained in these fruits can help reduce sugar craving without rampaging on your weight loss plans. They are very satiating and can curb your calorie intake by delaying digestion and fructose absorption. This is a distinct whole grain and is also a complete protein. It contains about 7 grams of protein by serving. Quinoa is rich in fiber, approximately 6 grams per serving. It can bind cholesterol and fat, thus reducing their absorption in the body. Quinoa is also effective in controlling blood sugar levels. Almonds contain high levels of calories, about 160/ounce. However, almonds are hard to digest. It makes your body to burn many calories during digestion. They also contain high levels of probiotics that help to nourish healthy microbes in the digestive tract. You can add raw or dry roasted almonds in your flavorings. Just like green tea, rooibos tea is another powerful weight loss food. It is calorie-free and can effectively trim down that waistline. Rooibos tea has also been found to help slow down weight gain by inducing some stress-busting aromatherapy. It not only slims your body but also keeps you hydrated. Beans and legumes such as kidney beans, black beans, and lentils among others are excellent weight loss foods. They are high in protein and fiber, which are all recommended for satiety. Legumes also contain resistant starch. However, beans and legumes should be appropriately prepared before eating.